Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. We're going to walk around and take a look at this 2012 Ford F550 we have for sale. It's a four-wheel drive, 6.7 power stroke diesel. It's got 235,000 miles on it. This truck's out of Oregon, so it has no rust on it. It's a one-owner truck. It belonged to Herc Rentals. It was one of their trucks they used to go out and service their rental equipment with. It's got a 3,200-pound Stellar crane, Mighty M welder, compressor combo on it. It's got a lube skid set up on it. Really nice truck. I've had a ton of these things with this exact same setup. It's 11-foot nap hide bed. I don't remember if I said that or not, but really nice truck. Let's walk around and take a look at it. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, cruise control. A pretty nice little Kenwood screen in here. Got hydraulic oil, motor oil, grease gun, waste oil, and then just a regular air hose here. All that runs off the air compressor. Grab the crane remote, we'll work you up all the way back here. Up. Winch down. Extension out. Extension in. Side to side. And obviously it does a lot more than that. I'm just showing you the basic functions, that everything works like it should on it. Rear work bumper. Nice set of C-Tech drawers here. This thing's got a timer on it, it won't sit and idle. Engine hours 86, 83, 2083. Those are idle hours. Okay, so the AC works, radio works. Okay, if you're interested in this truck, give me a call, 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go in there and check out pictures of it. If you're looking out of state and you want to have this truck shipped, I can ship it straight to your door. You're probably going to be looking around $1.50, $1.75 a mile to have this truck shipped. If you decide to go that route, just know that we're a dispatcher. So what we'll do is post this thing on our dispatch board, and we'll wait for somebody to call and say, hey, I see you got this truck in Alabama going to North Carolina or California or Florida or North Dakota, Maine, wherever you're at. We want to take it for you. I don't have someone just sitting here at the ready to leave out as soon as you pay for it. Normally you'll have the truck in 3 to 7 days. Sometimes it can take longer, and sometimes it's immediate. It just depends where you're at and what's headed that way. But you know, I can't tell you in an exact second it's going to pull up in your driveway. The only way to know that is to come pick it up in person. You're welcome to do that. We're open Monday through Friday, 7 to 4. Let me change that. We're open Monday through Friday, 9 to 4. We've changed our business hours. We're open from 9 to 4 now. 9 to 4, Monday through Friday. We're not open on the weekends at all. I know people don't like that, but we're just not open there. Well, that's the only time I got to do anything. Well, that's the only time we have time to do something. So we make plans and we do that. We spend time with our family on the weekend. So please don't ask me to come on the weekend. I can't accommodate that. So, I guess that's about it. If you are interested, give me a call, 256-310-6852. All right, thanks for watching.